Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to talk about the heat wave survival plan. Now, one of the things to remember for the heat wave survival plan that it can be for a short term, several days or so, or it can be long term, a month, month and a half, 2 months. Right now, here in 2024, we have already started into a early heat wave, and the forecast is it's going to go on for a month or two, and it's spreading from the West Coast to the East Coast. Several channels, and I've mentioned some of these on my live streams, have done videos on what the temperature is in their areas. One that comes to mind is Old School Prepper. She was out there with one of those infrared temperature guns and was reading the temperature of her driveway. It was 130 degrees. And I know last night's live stream over on Grayman here on Grayman Prepping, it was 82 inside and it was 105 outside in the shade in the evening. So we're already getting into a heat wave. So you need to plan on what you can do to keep your family safe and surviving and healthy. With a heat wave survival plan, you need to also include extra use of water in there. Because when it gets really hot, people will drink up to twice or three times as much water as they normally do, especially if they're having to do physical labor. So that's something else to include in your heat wave survival plan. Ways to keep the house cool, way to keep the heat out. Also, how is this going to affect your garden? You're going to have to go out there and water twice a day instead of once every other day. It's really going to impact your food supply that way. And then, it's power. When it gets really hot, everybody turns on the AC. Everybody gets selfish. They don't try to moderate their use of AC. So there's extra draw on the grid, and then the grid goes down. Wait a minute. We just talked about that a couple days ago. So you can see how the heat wave survival plan is going to tie into some other plans as well. So seriously, look at how extended heat wave is going to affect you and your family and what you need to do to maintain a healthy existence during it. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow some good food.